Utah inmate is set to be executed in 10 days, just losing another court appeal today. Attorneys for Taberon Honie were asking Utah's 3rd District Court for a preliminary injunction here, saying that his constitutional rights were being violated. The judge disagreed with that. This specialist Brian Carlson live for us at the Matheson Courthouse in downtown Salt Lake City to explain the judge's decision. Brian?
Well, Mike, what essentially happened here today is that Honie's attorneys argued because the state made a last-minute switch for the drug being used for the execution, that they didn't have a clear plan to pull it off without him potentially suffering. Well, the judge didn't see it that way and ruled against the injunction. Taberon Honie is on death row here in Utah for the murder of his ex-girlfriend's mother back in 1998 and scheduled to be executed August 8th by lethal injection. During today's hearing, Honie's attorneys argued the state's execution plan is too vague and inconsistent and may lead them to make mistakes. However, the state attorney general's office countered by saying their plan has more specifics than other states that use the same lethal drug, the same one that Honie identified as okay. The judge agreed and ruled that Honie was not entitled to more specifics.
Assuming there is a due process right to notice, Mr. Honie has not sufficiently pled that any inconsistency or deficiency in the UDC's protocols or procedures governing the use of pentobarbital will cause actual harm in violation of a constitutional right.
Now, another big question that went into today's hearing is if the judge had ruled in favor of Honie, what would that have meant for the 5th Circuit Court ruling last month signing off on his execution? Well, today the judge says she knows she doesn't have the power to upend that ruling, which would have caused a lot of legal questions as to which court ruling would have had the final say and which ones would they go with. Well, she put that to rest. So where does this leave us now? Honie is still scheduled to be executed here on August 8th. And I spoke with his attorneys after today's hearing. They say they plan to look at the ruling today from the judge and see where that puts them as far as terms from appeal with the Utah Supreme Court. Live here in Salt Lake City, Brian Carlson, KSL 5 News. Back to you.
All right, Brian, thank you.